DMG MORI China is one of the most important parts of the worldwide sales and service network of DMG MORI, focusing on the important Chinese market. DMG MORI China, with its headquarters in Shanghai, its 7 local branches in China's industrial center, and its factory in Tianjin, is setting new standards in sales and service support. Cutting-edge technologies or future-proof software solutions, the DMG MORI sales department is always ready to advise and support. The Training Academy is equipped with the latest generations of DMG MORI machines, and the trainers are very well experienced. Whatever individual application or workpiece is required, the DMG MORI application department will offer best solutions at the highest level of performance. The 24/7 service hotline guarantees constant availability and will always find a solution. The DMG MORI Spare Parts Center in Shanghai is part of a global logistics network. With maximum availability directly from the manufacturer. With its machining and assembly area of more than 22,000 square meters, the state-of-the-art factory in Tianjin is one of DMG MORI's modern plants. Despite the many different professions of the employees, and with all their different roles, DMG MORI China all have one thing in common. They all focus on you, the customer first.